In the ever-evolving world of business, the word strategy is often thrown around casually, leaving professionals wondering, what does it really mean? That's where Hambrick and Frederickson's Strategy Diamond steps in, offering a simple yet comprehensive framework to understand, articulate, and execute strategy. Introduced in 2001, this model helps strategists address the core dimensions of strategy, ensuring no crucial element is overlooked. What is the Strategy Diamond? Hambrick and Frederickson's Strategy Diamond is a framework that depicts strategy as an interrelated set of 5 key elements, visually represented as a diamond. Unlike other models that focus narrowly on one dimension of strategy, such as competition or positioning, the Strategy Diamond takes a holistic approach. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of these elements, ensuring that a company's strategic plan is both robust and cohesive. The 5 components of the Strategy Diamond are: arenas, where will we compete? Vehicles, how will we get there? Differentiators, how will we win? Staging, what will be our speed and sequence of moves? Economic logic, how will we generate returns? Each element answers a critical question about the strategy, together forming a complete picture of the business's strategic intent. The 5 elements of the diamond. First, arenas. Where will we compete? This dimension defines the playing field for the business. It includes decisions about which markets, industries, geographies, and customer segments to target. Are you focusing on high-end consumers in the tech industry or aiming for mass market appeal in retail? Key question: what core activities or markets are critical to achieving our objectives? Example: Apple decided its arenas would include premium consumer electronics, software ecosystems, and digital services, a combination that has become its hallmark. 2. Vehicles. How will we get there? This element focuses on how the company will enter and expand within the chosen arenas. Will growth be organic through acquisitions, partnerships, or franchising? Key question: what methods will we use to reach and sustain our position in the arenas? Example: when Starbucks expanded internationally, it used joint ventures and licensing agreements as its primary vehicles to navigate unfamiliar markets. 3. Differentiators. How will we win? Differentiators are what set a company apart from competitors and make it attractive to customers. It could be superior quality, cost leadership, brand reputation, or customer service. Key question: what unique value will we offer to our customers? Example: Tesla's differentiators include cutting-edge electric vehicle technology, a robust charging network, and a powerful brand that resonates with innovation and sustainability. 4th, staging. What will be our speed and sequence of moves? Staging addresses the pace and prioritization of strategic initiatives. It considers the sequencing of actions and milestones to optimize resource use and adapt to market conditions. Key question: in what order and how quickly should we execute our strategy? Example: Amazon started as an online bookstore before gradually expanding into other product categories and services, ensuring each stage of growth was well executed. 5. Economic logic. How will we generate returns? Economic logic is the financial rationale underpinning the strategy. It explains how the business creates value for customers and converts that value into profits. Key question: how will we sustain profitability and ensure long-term success? Example: Ryanair's economic logic is grounded in operating efficiency and low-cost leadership, allowing it to offer unbeatable ticket prices. When to use the Strategy Diamond. The Strategy Diamond is versatile and can be used at multiple levels within an organization. Here are a few scenarios where it proves invaluable. Strategic planning, when developing a long-term plan for the business or a new initiative. Assessing strategic gaps, to identify misalignments in the existing strategy. Communicating strategy, to present a clear, structured strategy to stakeholders. Competitor analysis, to dissect and understand the strategies of rivals. How to use the strategy diamond in practice. Implementing the strategy diamond involves answering the 5 key questions and ensuring alignment between all elements. Here's how you can use it, step by step. Start with arenas. Clearly define the markets, products, and customer groups your strategy will target. Choose vehicles. Decide how to enter those markets or achieve desired positions. Identify differentiators. Pinpoint the unique attributes that will make your offering stand out. Plan staging. Develop a timeline for executing your strategic initiatives. Establish economic logic. Ensure your financial model supports the strategy and drives profitability. Pro tip: use collaborative workshops to engage teams in the process, fostering buy-in and diverse perspectives. Real-life examples. Netflix, disrupting the entertainment industry. Netflix's strategy exemplifies the diamond's principles: arenas, streaming services, original content, and global markets. Vehicles, licensing deals, and in-house production. Differentiators, personalization algorithms, binge-worthy content, and a seamless user experience. Staging, transitioning from DVD rentals to streaming and later to producing original content. Economic logic, subscription-based revenue model with a focus on scalability and global reach. IKEA, democratizing design. IKEA used the strategy diamond to build its brand. Arenas, affordable home furnishings in urban markets worldwide. Vehicles, company-owned stores and e-commerce platforms. Differentiators, flat-pack furniture, Scandinavian design, and cost efficiency. Staging, expanding store locations gradually while strengthening supply chains. Economic logic, low prices through operational efficiency and volume sales. Conclusion: Hambrick and Frederickson's strategy diamond is more than just a theoretical model. It's a practical tool that helps businesses craft well-rounded strategies. By addressing all 5 elements, companies can ensure their strategy is not only comprehensive, but also actionable. Whether you're a startup founder or a seasoned executive, the strategy diamond offers clarity, alignment, and focus, the cornerstones of any successful strategy. So, the next time you're stuck in a boardroom discussing what's next, try sketching out a diamond. You might just uncover the winning strategy your team has been searching for.